Good day, my loving students. Once again, back into this virtual digital classroom. This is absolutely a free educational video, specially meant for the underprivileged students of India and abroad. We are going through, my loving students, we are going through a very critical phase of life throughout the world, and particularly in India. We have to be aware that we need to live, and in order to live and serve the nation, we need to stay back at home during the lockdown period and follow the instructions as our Indian government do give time to time. At the same time, we have to study. Most of the schools have their assessment time and completed their final examinations, and new session starts. The condition is such we are staying back at lockdown, so we need to apply the digital system of learning. Staying at home, we need not waste time but go ahead with our lessons for the coming board exams. Today we will discuss in this video about class 10 CBSE syllabus, wherein the first part is section A, is reading comprehension. Now let us first understand, why does the examiners in different examinations give composition and comprehension? What do examiners want to know or test? The skill in composition and comprehension. In composition, you are tested about your ability to express, how much you can express in a particular language. Particularly here we are talking about English language. And comprehension gives a test of critical evaluation, inferences, and analysis. Okay? Now these three type of skills are tested in comprehension. We are concerned in class 10 CBSE syllabus, the first section, section A, about reading comprehension. Now this is particularly very important of time management. You know how fast, there are two sections, or rather two passages given in this, one 8 marks and one 12 marks. 8 marks passage consists of very short answers. 12 marks passages is concerned with short answers and the short answers, and what is required in that is the qualitative multiple type of answers. Okay, multiple choices you have. This is a combination of the second part of 12 marks comprehensive passage. Now in time management, what you need to prepare to go ahead and fetch very good marks in this particular section is, you need to remember these points, which I'll mention now. Number one, go through the given passage, just read it. Don't try to go into the details of that passage. Okay, number two, you should be a comprehensive one. The next reading which will be done will be a comprehensive one. Read the passage carefully, understand what it is about and what are the important things it talks about. Okay, that is the second point that you should keep in mind before trying to answer this. The third part is, read the questions and try to find the possible answers in the passage and underline them. Remember, underline them. And finally, what you should remember is, write the answers in your notebook or the examination paper that is given. Try to form your own answers always, and not copy the sentences as it is from the passage. Remember, this is a very important factor. Do not answer just copying the passage words. You won't get marks for that. You need to write your own. And for that, the importance of vocabulary study. Vocabulary enrichment is very, very important. How do you express? How do we write? Anything we, human being, express through words. And words consist of a couple of syllable letters. And you must have the stock of words with you. Otherwise, how could you express? Because everything that you express is in words, not by symbols or simply by different type of sounds as the lower form of animals do, like birds, animals. Okay, we human beings express through words, and words are the main thing that you should stock in your mind, in your brain. All right, so please do learn at least 4 new words every day, and then you'll be enriched by the end of the year. Now, in this passage, you should remember that you should read the questions very carefully, remembering that at least one of the incorrect answers, called destructors, will seem to be correct. Okay? And do not rush things, means do not immediately go for a